Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to get movie clips for edits for shorts. First of all, what you have to do is open a website called getyarn.io. Website, you will be able to see a lot of categories. Either you can go to stories, quizzes, memes, emojis, or you can also custom search any clip that you want. I will go to movies, and as you can see, I will see a list of all the short movie clips that I can use. Or I can simply enter. As you can see, I will be able to see all of the clips related to this. If I select this movie and open it in a new tab, I will be able to find all of the clips related to that specific movie. Simply when the clip is playing, I will right click and open video in a new tab. Once I open the video in a new tab, it will be downloaded into my computer. As you can see, the video has been downloaded into my computer. If I open the clip, it will start to play on my computer. And that's simply how you can get movie clips for edits for shorts. If you find this video helpful, please hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe.